Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Telegram on your browser. So, by doing this, you skip the need for having to download and install a program, and is a pretty great workaround if you, for example, are using a PC that isn't exactly yours, so you can't exactly download any programs on it. You'll notice that if we go to telegram.org, it redirects us to their landing page where you download installers. But if we add web right before the Telegram, so it becomes web.telegram.org, this redirects us to their web app. So now we get to log in and use Telegram completely within our browser. So I'm scanning the code right now. There we go. And we've logged in. So I usually like to use this whenever I'm using a public computer, let's say for example in the library, and it's a really great workaround for when don't have the ability to install it. So that's how to use Telegram using your web browser on any Windows device. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.